Hi, I'm Larry Rexford. I'm a 2015 graduate of William Carey University. I got a business degree, graduated here on the Traditions campus. My real experience here at William Carey started back in 2013. After attending Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College, I had opportunities with scholarships, so I decided to continue my education. And when I came to William Carey, it wasn't the first school I'd come to, but I got a warm reception when I got here. The first thing we talked about was scholarship opportunities. And by the time I left there that day, I had 2 years of classes already planned out and mapped out for me, and it went pretty much off without a hitch. I was really looking for that while I'm working a full-time job experience, still being able to go to school full-time, and Traditions campus was able to accommodate that for me. So that's kind of my experience here. It was a great campus. The staff here was fantastic. They all called me by my name. Again, just felt really connected and part of the family while I was here. And so I can't stress enough what a great school William Carey University is, and hope to see you soon on campus.